What is your problem in using the portal system?
Okay, with this portal system, most of the time I use it as an advisor to students. So you aware that every students who come here will be assigned to an advisor. So student will come and ask about their progress. Student will come and ask about what other subjects they need to do. So I need to check the system and see the list of subjects that the student should be doing, or the list of subjects that student have done, and maybe what they have scored for that subject. Now, what I can see in the current portal is this arrangement of subjects is not done sequentially, meaning to say not from the beginning of what the semester, first year, first semester, second year, second semester, as per what it has been written in our handbook. So it would be useful if the arrangement of this subject can be done in such a way. So instead of me going through the whole page and have a separate paper to take, I was hoping that the system can do that.
What function do you want to improve?
I probably want to see is a printing function, that if I want to print the students' progress and whatnot, it will be as what I see is what I get, rather than, what get printed out is not as I see on the screen. And I probably want it to be in a more presentable manner, rather than all the functions on the screen also will appear as that printouts.
Do you want any interface changes on the portal system?
Interface point of view I think it's a bit old style looking system, so it would be nice if it is more usable. Things are being listed according to what usually the users want to use the system for. So if I log in as a lecturer, the things that I want to see is my students' timetable, who are my students, and then if I want to see my colleagues' timetable, for example, if I want to see if they have a class at that point in time, the way of searching it is very, very tedious. And let's say I'm looking for somebody by the name Hidayah or Nur Azizun, for example. So it's not easy, I can't type Nur Azizun and the name will come, or I have to just keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling until the year end to find the name. Then only I can view the timetable. So I was hoping that maybe it can be more helpful, more usable. So that's why I feel that the interface being created in here and the search and the function being listed in here is not customized accordingly to the type of needs, users' needs. So maybe if this person is an HOD, this function should come as among the first function to be used. I am as advisor, as a student, so what I want to see first is my timetable. So perhaps instead of having to go through so many, just what is my timetable, just go straight to my timetable, and then list of students, list of class. So all of these functions, I'm hoping that it can be rearranged according to the usage, according to the user. So I shouldn't be seeing the same function like what my other colleagues are seeing. So positioning of this function needs to be put in a way that according to my needs.
So if they add this program course inside the info system, I can straight check the system on what course what I will take, and I can make my decisions there.
Yes, of course, because it's more convenience for the student, not only in the program book, but access it in the info system as well. So they can access the info system from anywhere.
Of course, I'll go for online because one end is much easier than what we can then manually test we queue up from a very big line.
If I have the chance, I want to set my own timetable and open slot period.
Because maybe inconvenience for the student, because they need to follow certain slot period. They don't have time, maybe they have class and some other appointment. So I don't think it's appropriate for students to need to follow the certain slot period.
I will choose, of course, open slot because I can drop by myself, so that I can select the section and I can select the lecturer by myself, so that and I can manage the time.
I would like to update with myself, because when you then take a timetable, I found that very difficult for me to accept it. Sometimes the unit accept timetable, like we have a lot of gap. And one day I only got 3-hour class, but I take 6 hours or 9 hours to complete the 3-hour class.
maybe comfortable to complain through the online system. When if they don't have time, they can complain through the online system.
I just want to say the cleaning of the examination can make more improvement. Calling more better. Because sometimes they say they will call once my approval is approved. But I have to always I wait until the last 3 days and cannot receive any voice from examination. So I have to call them to ask.
They should email the student about the accommodation. If the student got the apartment, they should email the student. They should maybe like my friends, they need to find accommodation quickly. If they don't email the student, the maybe like my friend, they can find apartment outside the intern first.
I think it's better get it from the email, because email you can check it at any time. You need to go face to face with the office. No, your result. You will need to take a long time to wait for the application result. I think through email better and faster. I think the interface on the online registration system is too simple and not pretty.
The registration system is good for now.